Do you still think creating high-quality video requires a camera, professional lighting, and hours of editing? Well, think again. I'm about to show you the future in 60 seconds. What you're watching right now isn't a traditional recording. This is an AI version of me. One photo, one script, and 0 retakes. This is how I'm talking to you right now. I built this using narratepic.com. It's a platform designed to break the barriers of content creation. You upload your picture, give it a voice, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. No more "I don't have time" or "I'm camera shy" excuses. NarratePic allows you to scale your presence and share your ideas globally while you focus on what actually matters, the message. This is the first of many videos where I'll show you how to dominate the digital space using AI. Go to narratepic.com to start your journey and subscribe for more tips. Let's build together.